The simulator is designed to help you get a better feel for the difference between random noise and true sustained order activity.
The buy pressure indicates the general trend of buying activity. 50 means no trend, essentially just random noise. The farther above 50, the stronger the buying pressure, and the farther below 50, the stronger the selling pressure.
If you've been trading for any length of time, you'll know that prices don't just go straight up or straight down. The volatility of buying pressure reflects that. Choose a lower value to simulate a cleaner trend and a higher value to make it choppier. And similarly for the volume sliders.
By default, the chart is updating every 100 milliseconds, so 10 times per second. You can change this as you see fit.
Last thing is, just like in the market, most of the time, nothing actionable is happening. This is all just noise that you should probably be ignoring. But you can get a feel for how a sustained order affects price by submitting a TWAP order. This just slices your order up into smaller chunks.
You choose the size of your order by targeting a specific percentage of overall volume. A lower value for aggressiveness will mean that your orders start off smaller and ramp up towards the end. This is like starting with mostly limit orders and shifting to market orders over time. And a higher value for aggressiveness will make your orders start off larger and taper off towards the end. This is like starting off with market orders and slowly shifting to patient limit orders.